Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're a fan of Meso Customs, you know that they have the puddle pods. They make those in really small batches. They're almost always out of stock. But back in November, I was lucky enough to snag a set of their new version 2s with the on-off switch. The website calls these plug and play. This really only means that the connectors on the ends of the wires are simple enough to just plug and play in. There's no soldering, crimping, or splicing required. However, from my experience installing these, you better give yourself at least an entire day to work on it. There's some serious patience needed. The install is pretty challenging. It involves you removing your door cards, your mirror, the interior floor panels on the sides, the kick panels on the sides, driver's side pillar, and there's an extensive amount of wire fishing and trying to run wires through the door cards, the door jambs, your dash, and up into your pillars, as well as installing the switch, powering that, and grounding those wires. One thing that's for sure is you're gonna want to get a beer for this one. After all is said and done on these Meso pods, it took me a full Saturday and half of the day on Sunday. I started early in the afternoon and just took my time working through it. The instructions that I found online, they're about 58 pages long. So my biggest recommendation if you're going to be doing this install is to just take your time, go one step at a time, and just really give yourself like a full day. Remember, patience is key. Pretty damn happy with how the Meso puddle pods turned out. They're such a cool and unique add-on to the Tacoma. Not many people have them, and I just think that they look pretty badass. After all, the install efforts is quite worthwhile. If you guys want to check them out, I'll have a link down below in the description of this video. They are obviously out of stock right now, but you can sign up for an alert notification. Just be aware, you'll need to be very fast to be able to snag a pair for yourselves, as last time when I managed to get them, they sold out within like the first 30 minutes. With that, guys, I'm gonna end it here now. Thanks for watching. As always, I'd really appreciate it if you would leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on these Meso puddle light pods. If you want them, if you like them, or you hate them, leave a comment. I would love to chat with you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.